Today we have another problem. The drain is clogged. The drain in the bathroom. Because my wife threw a lot of stuff there. All sorts of trash and hair got stuck in there. And that's how it got clogged. And she asked us to fix it. So what are we going to do? To start with, here it is from the bathtub. Let's try to use a regular bathtub. There's something at hand. Every housewife and house husband has it. Let's try pouring water. And with sprinkling motions. Try to boil some glue. Glue. It cleared up a little, but it's not draining as well as I'd like. It's draining very slowly. If that happened, then it's necessary to carry out a thorough cleaning of the bathtub's drainage system. For that, you need to get under the bathtub. It depends on what you have. If there's tile down below, a screen, you need to remove all of that. If it's a plastic screen, you just need to open it. Here, going down under the bathtub, you can see the elbow which is screwed on directly to the bathtub drain and goes away into the sewer system. To clear the blockage, first we unscrew the plastic nut that holds the mouth. Elbow, I'm pushing it in. You can see what a chunk. There's dirt, hair, it's all here. And now we need to take it out from the drainage system, the polished flange. Finally, the polished flange that fits snugly. Here, everything is at our fingertips. Now we can carefully take it out. At the same time, trying not to lose all the gaskets, the rubber ones that are here. Let's take it out. It's best to do everything with rags so there are no spills like that. And now, spills. And now, let's get started cleaning the trap and bathtub. Here you can see that a big clump of hair is stuck, which will be impossible to remove with anything else except for manual cleaning. Now, let's turn it on. The faucet. You can rinse it with water. Let's rinse it again. Rinse it out. This is the garbage that stuck on the walls. The trap pipes. The pipe of the trap. Let's rinse it well. At the same time, you can do a little bit. You can move it if it's not too old. It's not a big deal, so the plastic is still in good condition. You can see that a lot of garbage is coming out here. We're washing all the rubber gaskets and seals. Basically, the trap is already clean. After that, you need to make sure that there are no clogs in the drain in the bathroom. And after that, we're installing the trap in place. First and foremost, it is essential that you screw it in. The nut in place. Plastic. Always remember to carefully ensure you put a rubber gasket underneath the rubber gasket. Try to make sure it doesn't get misaligned. This is a very responsible place, so you need to do it carefully and precisely. Not to get out of our groove. Get out of your groove, but this must not be allowed. Here it is. I positioned it in that place. Tighten it well, and now it is necessary to carefully and securely insert the prepared hose into the hub of the sewage system, ensuring a snug and secure fit. For this, you can use regular soap or liquid detergent. Which to wet or not the rubber gasket. Here it is. There we will moisten our finger with soap. Soapy and rubber gasket from us. It's moistened now with a little effort. It's going in, back in its place. Now, after that, it's necessary to check the drain and see if it's leaking. Toner. To do this using a flashlight, it's necessary to check each connection for any leaks. In our case, the sounds and tightness. Let's check the tub. Cliff completely is insured. So, the blockage has been cleared. This is such a squeeze. Fiber. There's always a system of the van analysis, so keep in mind that it can't be bypassed in any way except in the spring.